Hi guys, and welcome back to SiArtShopChannel. Okay guys, I'm going to show you now how to make the middle of the cabbage. Now you know how to do the leaves, but now we need to wrap the leaves around the middle of the cabbage. Okay, so what I've got some of these. They're used for protecting fruit or anything like that. So I'm going to use these, and what I'm going to do is try to make them into a ball the best I can, like so. You see that? And what I'm going to do is just use some tape. So you don't have to be too clever with this. You just need to make sure it's a ball. And this will be very light because it's just foam, really. So all I'm doing is wrapping the tape around like so. That should be enough. Okay, so we've got this going on. So we've got our ball. So next I'm going to show you how to wrap the leaves of the cabbage around. So all you do is you get your leaf, there's one, tip it upside down, and then wrap it sort of like that. Okay, and sort of offer it up like so. And what I think I'll do is, now I just thought, now I've got the middle bit, so what I think I will do is just get an extra piece of clay, just to pop that in the middle. And I'm just going to, let me just show you this, guys. This is thinking on my feet. I'm going to just make a little indentation there, because I need something to go in the middle, if that all made sense. I'm not going to stick it. So we've got our middle there, and now I'm going to pop the leaf on. So I'm just going to, see what I mean? If I didn't put that there and I wrap the other one there, which I will do now, we would have had a slight issue with the middle. You would have seen it. Okay? Like so. Right, so like that. So it's a bit fiddly, this part, guys, but bear with. Okay, and then you just get your other one and you pop that on as well. And try to cover as much as you can. And get the other one. And there's all fingers and thumbs here. And I think I'll do it like that. Oh, that one's broken, so I'm not going to use that particular leaf. I'm going to use this one. Okay, so what you do is, don't worry about that middle, it's still not quite right. I'm going to, look, you sort of do this. You see what I'm doing there? You make it into a little ball. Now, that's a good idea, but we need a bit more. So I'm just going to quickly, like I say, making this up as I go along. If there's any issues, queries or concerns, which there are. So let me quickly use a bit of that to get the indentation. There we go. Now I'm going to bring that back. You've got to be careful with this, because if you keep messing about with it, it's going to collapse. So, but I do want to show you what it's really like to try and make one of these, because it's a bit fiddly, but it's well worth it, guys. Well worth it. Okay. So now we've got this going on, right? Okay. Now you're probably saying, Simon, why aren't you putting any glue on there? And what I will probably do is turn my glue gun on, and I will make it up and glue it at the same time. I think that's the way I'm going to do it, okay? I've only ever made one of these as cakes. I've never made it with clay. So it's new for me as well, guys. But it's all good fun, okay? So I'm happy with that. Right, I've got 2 more leaves left, which I am going to use. I'm just trying to think. I'm just going to see. I'll probably put that one on there, and this one's slightly broke. So I'm going to probably put it on there and mess about with it. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So let me just try and repair that one that was broken, which I have. Okay, so yes, I'm going to stick this. So basically, as soon as my glue gun is ready, which it is nearly, we will get on and stick it. And one more glue gun is needed. Okay, so I need another one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop some glue. Can you see this? Oh, it's not quite warm enough. So that's a fail, guys, from me. I do apologise. But yes, in a moment it will be warmer. So it will all be good. I'm really looking forward to painting this one. It looks really effective. Look, let me turn it on the side. See what I mean? We can mess about with that in a minute when it's the bottom, when we've glued it all on. So you're probably thinking, oh my God, Sam, you're making it up as you go along. But I kind of am. But it's all good because it's very forgiving. It's cabbage. Do you know what I mean, what I'm saying? You do. That's great. Okay. Going to look marvellous. Absolutely marvellous. See if the glue gun's working yet. Oh, yeah, a little bit. Okay. So just pop that on there. I should probably put some under there, really, shouldn't I? There, like so. And give that a little squeezette. Yes, fiddly, but worth it. You're probably thinking, oh, this looks a bit tricky. And it is, but bear with it. Because that's what it's all about. It's art at the end of the day. Okay. Let's put that on like so. And another one on there. You might be thinking it's a bit strange using glue on a glue gun on clay. And it is slightly, but I find it does actually work. So I go with it. Okay. We'll mess about with these bits in a minute and like really put them where you want them. But we can't do that until we've got it all stuck together the best we can. Okay, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. So I'm just going to pop that like so. Okay, so far so good. Got some wispy bits. Get rid of those. Right. Let me just see. What shall I do with the bottom? Shall I lift those up? I think I will. Just stick them down slightly. Put that down like so, and that will help stick it. Okay, we're getting there, guys. Just going to, you see it's already drying out. Can you see these little dry bits? But it's fine. So that was a little bit fiddly there, guys, wasn't it? But I promise you, it's well worth it. So bear with it when you do it. Like I say, you can mess about with it to make it look even more realistic. Okay. And we've got 2 more leaves left, which we're going to use, but I just want to get these looking the best they can. And that needs to go in a bit more at the bottom, because in real life they are in more there. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so where was we? We've got another one, so I could pop that there, couldn't I? And make it go like that, perhaps. You've got to play around with it, guys, to see where you think it looks best without covering up all the good bits, if that makes sense. See, this one's broken, but not to worry. We can get away with that. He says, no, we can. I might do it like that. So it folds in on itself. That's broken off. But let's get it working for us. Yes, I think I will. I will do it like that. Right, so let me put some glue at the bottom and stick that around like so. Let's get this bit. Stick that on and lift that up slightly and give it a jaunty little angle. And a bit more glue there. So you just have to look, guys, to see where you think it needs sticking. And then stick it. I might do that. That looks quite good. Okay, so let's just pop that down like so. I'm going to ruffle that. Put some glue in there. Okay. Pop that up. Some wispy bits on there, but we get that off. Okay, so that's that. Now we've got one more bit. Shall I use it or shan't I? We've got a gap there, haven't we, guys? Okay, right. So I've got this one, another piece. So where shall I put that? That's a bit. Shall I put it there? Does that make it look more cabbage-like, or should I put it there? See, decisions. But don't be scared of it, because there's only leaves. Right. Does that look all right? Does that look strange being there? Let's have a look. Okay. No, I quite like it there. Okay, let's put it there. A little bit more glue there, guys. Stick that down like so. Okie dokie, picking a pokey. Some more there, and there, and there, and there. And pop that in like so. And then I'm just going to pop that down like that. At a jaunty angle. As you do. Coming together, guys. I'm really happy with this. Right, let me just going to lift that up slightly there. Because when you paint it, it will come alive, I promise you. Right, where was our cocktail stick? In fact, I'm just going to tear a bit of the other one off and just press it down slightly. To get the, because it was a bit too not looking like a cabbage on the top there, so I just wanted to bring it back up to cabbage-like. That makes sense, guys. Right, okay, I think I'm nearly there. So what I'm going to do is leave it like that and let it dry for a few days. So there you go, guys. There's our cabbage, our fake cabbage. So it was a little bit of a rigmarole, wasn't it, to get it together? But once you play around with it, and you'll get it how you want it. So I promise you, once this has all been painted white a few times, after it's dried for a few days, and then painted green, and all the rest of it, and I'll show you how to do the highlights and lowlights and all the rest of it, it will look absolutely amazing. Okay, so there you go, guys. I'm going to leave it like that. So look at that there. Look at those ridges. Absolutely amazing. Get rid of that wispy bit. Okay, look at that. Absolutely marvellous. Yeah, so there you go. There is our actual fake cabbage, guys. And all we need to do now is, like I said before, let it dry for a few days, and then I will paint it a couple of coats of white just to seal it, because it's terracotta and we don't want that. And then I will show you how you put the green on it, green paint and all the rest of it, and make it look more cabbage-like. Okay, and that is about it, guys. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video of this luxury fake cabbage. Okay, bye-bye for now.